Thursday night wash night. These wash was blowing off the concrete. Had bad weather Monday night, Tuesday night. We were at a 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Probably about 8 to 10 miles that way. They had a tornado touchdown about 9 o'clock Monday night and went that way towards Carlisle. Did quite a bit of damage. And then Tuesday, Dallas daycare didn't have power, so Daryn had him all day to store, and it started raining about 3 o'clock and rained all night, so we didn't come out and wash then. Doug was gone fishing Tuesday and Wednesday, got back today. And today's kind of the first nice day we've had to wash. Don't know if we're going to Fairbury Saturday or not yet. Guess that's going to be Daryn's call. Still got quite a bit of work to do to the car. This is what broke at Farmington. Went into that one right there, just broke off. 25-cent piece on a $70,000 race car cost us a second place finish. It's about par for the course. Now she's in, dried off, up on the lift, ready to be maintenanced and go back together. Friday night, getting the curve in the panels. Well, Max got her wire put back together. Here's the end that come off of it. It just flat broke. Wire broke. There's still wire inside of it soldered, but she pulled out and broke off. Max says still blaming Hauser. Not really. Shit happens. Had Lucas Oil on the left, World Outlaws on the right. Hudson's riding a bike. Here comes the crew chief. New carb stud.
Make that small.
Uncle B over there making
like
jokes.
Call. If you hear the boo boo, you gotta send a boo boo. No. Take it. Quarter. The exact same helmet blower.
Check and tow.
Where? Joe's car. Huh? Joe's car.
Joe's car.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Engine 9/16, perfect.
Well, it's Thursday afternoon, the 7th. Got a delivery of fuel today. Called and ordered it Monday. They delivered it today, and it's going up about $40 a drum tomorrow. Gotta love gas prices. Hauser's out here doing a nut and bolt check on the car. Brad's loafing.
Hey, let's turn the race.
I will. Doug and I are going to
Just trying to figure out what the hell.
put an outside box outside the door here, so
Take it apart, so I gotta figure out.
like when we race Friday night, come home, we're gonna race Saturday night. We can just pull the truck right through here, Daryn, put rock down, put the outlet somewhere in here, so we can just plug the truck in. See what else we get into tonight. Well, holes drilled, wires ran. Duggo's stripping her back so we can mount our box.
think I need a new razor blade.
You got a whole stack of them in your shop. I'd say that's probably plenty good.
Yeah.
Max is here. Hauser got the bolt check done. Him and Max are undoing this so we can put an outlet here to plug the pit box in.
Did he say he dropped it off? No, I didn't ask. Oh. Was he supposed
Got
to?
the wire ran. Hauser just wired up the outlet. That's done. We got our truck box done. That's all put back together. That's all mounted, silicone, good to go. Daryn had it powder coated to kind of match that.
Daryn, scotch tape. Hold on.
What are you doing?
Don't eat that.
What are you doing?
Come on.
Well, that's gonna do it for this one. We will catch you all Saturday night at Highland. Just a local show, but got Mars there next Saturday night, so I want to get a good tune-up on her. Got her fuel barrels moved in. They go on the other side of the truck. We'll put them over there Saturday once we get the truck out. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment, share with your friends.